Thanks for watching this demonstration video on Milestone XPEntreprise 7.0 and its new management application. Milestone XPEntreprise is comprehensive open platform IP video management software for medium and large-scale installations, including multi-site deployments. This demo will give you a tour of the highlights of the new XPEntreprise management application, demonstrating its intuitive user interface and the easy-to-manage functions in the XPEntreprise 7.0 surveillance system. XPEntreprise 7.0 introduces consolidated single-point management access that provides significant improvements, including a more intuitive overview and easy access to configuration data, device settings, and user definitions. This is the main view of the XPEntreprise management application. System configuration can either be made using a set of intuitive configuration wizards or using the advanced configuration options. The wizards guide the administrator through the system deployment and automate otherwise time-consuming configuration tasks. The 4 system configuration wizards take you step-by-step through the system setup and configuration process. You will find that the wizards dramatically simplify both initial deployment and daily administration work when you do any of the following: add hardware devices to the system, configure the video and recording, adjust motion detection, and add or change users of the system. Experienced users can access the detailed system and user configuration data as part of the advanced configuration. A navigation tree structure, known from Windows Explorer or similar applications, provides an intuitive overview and easy navigation of the different system and user settings. We will get back to the advanced configuration options later in this demo. Application icons provide easy access to frequently used functions. Let's take a closer look at what makes XPEntreprise so intuitive to manage. The first wizard guides you through the process of adding cameras and other hardware to the system. The first step is to import the device license key file into XPEntreprise. Importing the file is quick and easy, and it will free you from having to manually specify license keys for each hardware device later on. The wizard allows you to use different methods of detecting and adding devices to your system. The Express option allows you to quickly scan your network for devices and helps you add them fast to your system. This method is quick and easy since it only scans for devices that support universal plug-and-play protocol and only on the part of your network or subnet where the XPEntreprise server itself is located. Once the scanning is completed and all devices have been detected by the system, you can decide which devices you actually want to enable in the system and assign names to these. A smart automatic name generation function allows you to quickly assign meaningful and descriptive names to the cameras. Here we want to use a naming convention that allows you to define a custom text followed by the device type and a sequence number. You can also name your devices manually on an individual basis. This is all it takes to add devices to your XPEntreprise. You can add as many as 100 devices to your XPEntreprise system in a matter of minutes. Once the camera devices have been connected to the system, the detailed configuration of each camera needs to be done. This includes properties such as video quality, online schedules, and various storage properties, including storage location, archiving, and retention time. To support consistent and efficient management of these settings, XPEntreprise 7.0 has a wizard that guides you through the different steps. Let's take a look at how easily this can be done. For each connected camera, detailed video properties can be defined on an individual basis if desired. The next step is to define when the cameras are to be online. Dependent on the particular usage of the surveillance system, cameras can be online all the time or during certain periods only. To manage this, you can define online schedules. For example, if you have a shop where you want the cameras to be online only during business hours, you can define this schedule with a few easy clicks, either by defining start and stop times that you can apply to relevant days or by marking the time period directly in the time diagram. The newly created schedule can easily be applied to relevant cameras as a bulk change using the template concept. And the next step, you are requested to define the live and recording properties for the connected cameras. Again, using the bulk change option, you can define, for example, all cameras to record on motion detection for 5 seconds before the actual motion is detected and for 10 seconds after the motion. The bulk change option not only saves you a lot of clicks and time, but it also enables you to get a consistent configuration of your system. The next dialog is the same, but for MPEG cameras. The final step in this wizard is to configure the recording storage. This is done by defining the destination paths for the live recording storage, archiving storage paths, and the times when recording data is to be archived. Remember that XPEntreprise uses a unique storage optimization solution where you can use high-performance disk systems for your live data and less expensive storage for the longer-term archiving, where all recordings are available to users all the time. We can also define different storage areas and recording retention times for different cameras. Let us extend the retention time for some important cameras. This concludes Configure Video and Recording. The system is now fully configured to record and store video from the connected cameras. The Adjust Motion Detection wizard helps you to fine-tune the motion detection settings to optimize your system. The first step is to define possible exclusion zones for the motion detection to eliminate false triggering of the detection caused by regularly moving objects like machines, traffic, leaves in the wind, etc. The actual motion detection algorithm can be fine-tuned by adjusting the sensitivity level to filter out irrelevant background noise. Adjust the motion slider so the motion detection is only triggered by the required level of motion. The final step in the system configuration is to add users to the system and assign user rights. This is easily done with the User Access wizard. Users in XPEntreprise can either be defined as basic users or with user accounts defined in a Microsoft Active Directory. Let's add a basic user by providing username and password. New users by default get access to all defined cameras. Detailed user rights are defined in the user management as a part of the advanced configuration. We have now completed the initial system setup using the configuration wizards, and we've got a fully functioning XPEntreprise surveillance system. Let's take a closer look at the advanced system configuration options you can do in XPEntreprise. The Hardware Devices section provides you with an easy overview of the devices that are connected to your system. By selecting a specific camera, you can see an overview of the settings for that camera, including a live preview of the camera feed. You can easily change any of the detailed configuration settings, such as frame rate, video resolution, PTZ settings, and patrolling schemes, as just some of the camera properties. The camera and storage options provide intuitive overviews of your recording and storage settings. Here you can easily control where you store and archive your recordings, how long you keep the recordings, and so on. For example, you can easily change the retention time for critical cameras. The pie chart diagram provides a summary at a glance of the storage and available space. The Scheduling and Archiving section provides you with an overview of when your cameras are online and other schedules. Here you can see that Camera 1, Camera 2, and Camera 3 are online according to the business hour that was defined earlier as part of the Video and Recording Configuration wizard. If you want Camera 7 to follow the same schedule, simply define this in the overview. XPEntreprise lets you authenticate and authorize users based on either Microsoft Active Directory user accounts or basic usernames and passwords. This allows you to manage privileges on both individual and group level, where user privileges can be granted to functions and individual cameras. As shown here, XPEntreprise provides you with a clear overview of defined users and their respective rights. You can also view and manage the detailed privileges for a specific user. You can assign user rights both to individual cameras and specific functions per camera. Let's grant the user Richard Davis the right to view live and recorded video from camera 5, but disable the opportunity to do smart search and export of evidence material from this particular camera. Adaptable application behavior optimizes the usage for different user types. While novice users get additional guidance, expert users can optimize the application for their most efficient use. For example, if a user accidentally tries to delete all cameras in the system, XProtect automatically asks for a confirmation. The application behavior can be controlled for a number of critical dialogues and changed based on the user's skill levels. Automatic system restoration points enable cancellation of undesired changes and easy rollback to previous configurations. A restore point is created each time a configuration change is confirmed. OK, apply. All restore points in the current and previous 5 sessions are stored. After 5 sessions, only the last restore point of each session is saved. So let's recover the mistake we just saw, deleting all devices in the system. Yes, the cameras that were accidentally deleted have been restored, including all settings. You can get an instant overview on the status of the various XProtect Enterprise services running on the recording server. Easy controls allow you to stop and start the individual services. Easy-to-use import and export functions for configuration data let you swiftly manage system backups of XProtect Enterprise. We hope you have enjoyed this demo and seeing the unique set of management features in XProtect Enterprise 7.0. Its unparalleled usability makes XProtect Enterprise the easiest IP video management solution to implement and manage. This enables you to reduce the cost of deployment while maximizing the overall ROI of your video surveillance systems. If you want to know more about XProtect Enterprise or other Milestone IP video management solutions, please visit us at www.milestonesys.com. Thank you.